Okay, today we're gonna learn how to test transistors with a simple circuit. We can make it. We can do it on a breadboard if you want to, but then you have to assemble it all the time to test it. To make it better, we should solder it. But you might not want to do what I did to solder it. I just drilled holes through a piece of plastic and then put the components through it, then soldered them to wires and then jump wires across where they go. Like here it is. Messy, isn't it? Anyway, I also took a cord that I think came out of a broken TV. Not sure what it came out of. It says Foxconn on it, which is a connector manufacturer that manufactures connectors for certain cables. And I guess the cable on this, connectors on this cord, they probably made connectors for it. And it does work. I have one for NPN and one for PNP. Or you can just do it to have a good NPN, good PNP, but then again you'll be trying to use them and they might go bad, and then you might try testing it and it might say it doesn't work, but it does. Just that one transistor, not two of them are broken. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get going. Okay, I got it running here, and you have this green one here, that's the NPN, and then the red one over here is PNP testing. No, wait, this is NPN, yeah, because that's the PNP transistor right there. And the NPN is on this one, so this is PNP tester. What I did is I took one circuit and put two of them in it so I could test both kinds of transistors on one circuit. That's why there's two lights flashing, because there's one that's for one type of transistor and the other one's for other type of transistor, and there's both have a transistor in its socket, so it's running. So if I take this transistor out, you see the green one stopped. So this one must be a PNP. And it is. What will happen if I reverse the emitter and collector? Let's watch. I think it should go faster, I think, if I remember right. As you see now, if you look at it, you can see that it's flickering, but it's flickering faster. And that tells us that we reversed the collector and emitter. Because you can't reverse the base. The base is a different polarity than the other two. Current won't flow. Then if you take this one out, put a PNP where it's supposed to be an NPN, watch. Get to go in there. Hang on. Okay, and I'll put PNP or NPN in a different opposite transistor into opposite socket. That's for the opposite type. And we got none of the LEDs lit up or flickering. That's because it's acting like a diode in reverse bias. Or it would say that when it's opposite direction, current can't flow. And I believe that if any of these LEDs are just solid on and instead of flashing, I think that means you have a short on the LED on your transistor. Okay. Have a short on your transistor, and that makes it where it'll not oscillate. Because it could be a short on your emitter collector, short on emitter base, whatever two pins it has a short on. Anyway, let's take a look at the schematic. Okay, here's the schematic. Not very much to it. Although we're not using the 3-volt batteries and 9 volts, it still works pretty well. I'm pretty much thinking it won't break anything because between the LED and there's a 1K resistor here. I think to put that 1K resistor between them two so that it would, because if it went to the LED, it'll probably go like here, 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 and down here. Without that, the current could be infinity, and that we don't want a current to be infinity, where it'll draw up to infinity of amps, because otherwise it could break the LED. Anyway, so I've been testing it, and it hasn't broke anything on it yet. For one in it. Anyway, now what I did is took two of them, made two of the circuit instead of just one. So I double everything. So I got two of this resistor here, two of that resistor, two of the LEDs, one NPN, one PNP, two of the capacitors, and two of these resistors. And what I was able to do was be able to have it where you could test either kind depending on which way you connect your transistor onto. And I do like this one too, because it'll oscillate faster for if you found collector and emitters reverse. Which makes a nice feature on it. So you're looking for finding the collector emitter, you can just reverse it, and then it will be faster. The one that goes slower be emitter base. Emitter collector will be actually in correct position. And that's very much to it. They say this is a high gain amplifier. I'm thinking it's more like an oscillator, because where you see the capacitor there, you just hint that's oscillating it. But it could be a high gain amplifier. Maybe that's what they use it for. And there you go. That's how you test transistors. It's very simple, easy circuit to do. Of course, there's a whole bunch of other ones on the internet, ones that can use like a transformer, an AC transformers, and then use resistors and LEDs and stuff like that. They even make in-circuit ones that can be better than this. They can test transistors that are in circuit board without having to remove them, which is kind of nice. But I think we'll stick with doing this right now. So make sure to visit my store and buy stuff from my store to support me. I make a whole bunch of stuff and sell them on my store. You should check it out. Then when you do that, use a coupon code YouTube 2018 to get a 4% discount on anything in my store you buy. Well, that's it for now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.